you? I hope that you will be fine and happy. Today, we will read this chapter 5, long vowel sound O. Okay, let's start now this chapter. चलिए यहाँ पर किस जैसे पिक्चर्स दी गई है, चलिए इन्हें पढ़ते हैं. क्या है? BOOK book. Okay, FOOT foot. Okay, next है ROSE rose. MOON moon. SOAP soap. COAT coat. Next है NOSE nose. Okay, now kids, we discuss the phonic drill. Okay, DOSE dose. POSE cause. CLOSE close. Next one HOSE horse. Next one NOSE nose. Okay. Next one CONE corn. TONE ton. ZONE zone. And next one NOON node. Next one MOON mode. Okay. Next one VOTE vote. ROTE wrote. GOAT got. BOAT bought. And next time COAT caught. Okay, now guess this phonic drill is completed. Okay, now rhyming times. Okay, let us start now. Trip to the moon, boom as the rocket. Then to the moon, it went zoom out of sight. The rocket looped around the moon, taking pictures of the grooves. There was proof that others had visited the moon. Okay, now kids, this rhyme we completed. I hope that you understood well. Thank you. Have a nice day.